Side of my building, getting the roof done. It's starting to turn into a nightmare, man. Wait till you see this. Dumpster for the roof that's being taken off of it. Out with the old, in with the new. It's been a headache.
I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, your Underground Paint King, the People's Champ, back with a quick video. And it's been a rough week, man. You see, I'm sweating like crazy. It's been a rough week. But the building is being a headache. So first, we're getting the roof done, and it's a flat roof. And with it being a flat roof, gotta tear it up. And well, any roof, gotta tear it up, you know, and start doing the roof in different sections. And the guys doing the roof got half of the roof put on, didn't get the other half put on just yet, and we got a rainstorm, heavy rainstorm. And guess what happens when you have a rainstorm and no roof? At the shop, got a real bad storm that came in. Thought it was gonna be decent this week. And we started getting the roof done. And it caught us with half the roof undone. It's all good in the paint booth. But it's coming down really bad. Might be out of commission right now, man. Might be out of commission right now. I don't know, I'll get back with y'all. It's your boy, the Underground Paint King. Alright, so now that we done had that issue, let me see if I can get you in here. My garage door don't open right now simply because the spring decided to break on me. So now my garage door don't want to open. Well, it's heavy, so you know it's gonna be a pretty good task to get it open. So now we got a guy coming out tomorrow to fix the garage door. As you can see, the cables have another little piece right there, break off. Another cable here. So the building just ain't got no act right this week. But hopefully by the weekend we get things together. So we'll see how it goes. But on another note, we're still getting work done. So if you can see it behind me, the charger is painted. I'll be uploading a video on that here soon. Putting it together and goodness gracious. I gotta get somewhere cool, man. I'm sweating like crazy. Anyway, we're gonna get this one put together soon and out the door. So yeah, man, just giving y'all a quick update, man. Shout out to my man Wayne. Sent me a comment on one of the old videos, or the excursion video, checking on me, seeing what's happening. He waiting for the notification. I appreciate you, homie. We definitely gonna drop some more videos here soon. Just be patient with me, man, cause just a lot going on, man. A lot going on. So this your boy, the Underground Paint King, the People's Champ, and we out.